YouTube video content, 10 proven ways to score high marks in exams. Clapperboard title, 10 proven ways to score high marks in exams. Study smart, not hard. Want to score top marks in your exams? In this video, we'll reveal 10 powerful strategies that will help you study effectively, manage time wisely, and perform your best on exam day. Whether you are in school, college, or preparing for competitive exams, these tips will help you achieve academic success. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more study tips. Pushpin video structure. Clapperboard introduction, 0101 o'clock. 1. Welcome viewer and introduce the topic. 2. Share a motivating quote. Success is the sum of small efforts, repeated day in and day out. 3. Briefly mention how smart study techniques can boost performance. Open book main content, 1 o'clock 8 o'clock. Keycap 1 Understand the syllabus and exam pattern, 1 o'clock 1:45. 1. Read the official syllabus to know what topics to focus on. 2. Check the exam format, MCQs, essay type, problem solving. 3. Prioritize high weightage topics. Keycap 2 Make a study plan and stick to it, 1:45-2:30. 1. Set daily and weekly study goals. 2. Use the Pomodoro technique, 25 minutes study, 5 minutes break. 3. Balance strong and weak subjects to avoid last-minute stress. Keycap 3 Take smart notes, 2:33-15. 1. Write concise, well-structured notes. 2. Use color coding and mind maps for better recall. 3. Convert large topics into bullet points and key facts. Keycap 4 Solve previous year papers, 3:15-4 o'clock. 1. Identify frequently asked questions. 2. Practice within a time limit to improve speed. 3. Analyze mistakes and work on weak areas. Keycap 5 Focus on conceptual learning, 4 o'clock 4:45. 1. Don't memorize blindly, understand the logic behind topics. 2. Use real-life examples to relate to concepts. 3. Explain topics to someone else, teaching equals best way to learn. Keycap 6 Revise regularly, 4:45-5:30. 1. Revise daily and weekly to retain information longer. 2. Use flashcards, summary sheets, or online quizzes. 3. Spend the last 2 weeks only on revision, not new learning. Keycap 7 Avoid distractions and stay focused, 5:36-15. 1. Turn off notifications and use Do Not Disturb mode. 2. Study in a quiet, clean environment. 3. Use productivity apps like Forest, Notion, or Pomodoro. Keycap 8 Maintain a healthy lifestyle, 6:15-7 o'clock. 1. Get 7-8 hours of sleep to boost memory and concentration. 2. Eat brain-boosting foods, nuts, fish, eggs, fruits. 3. Exercise daily, even 15 minutes helps with stress. Keycap 9 Practice writing and time management, 7 o'clock 7:45. 1. Write neat, structured answers with proper headings. 2. Manage time by practicing full-length tests. 3. Learn shortcut techniques for calculations and problem solving. Keycap 10 Stay confident and keep a positive attitude, 7:45-8:30. 1. Believe in yourself. 1. Self-confidence boosts performance. 2. Avoid last-minute panic, stay calm and composed in exams. 3. Take deep breaths before starting the exam. Clapperboard conclusion and final tips, 8:39 o'clock. 1. Summarize key points in 30 seconds. 2. Encourage viewer to apply these tips consistently. 3. Ask viewer, which study technique works best for you? Comment below. 4. Call to action, CTA, like, share and subscribe for more study tips. Paint palette video enhancements and editing tips. Checkmark Use animated text and visuals for better engagement. Checkmark Add background music to keep it engaging. Checkmark Show real-life examples and success stories for motivation.